Hello everyone, I'm Alex Sean. Today, I will be talking about the usability and accessibility principles of Google Maps. Google Maps is an application that shows where you are, what's around you, and provides direction to the desired location. It can be used on web browsers on computers and as a mobile app on mobile devices. Today, I will be talking about the user interface on the mobile device since that's where I used the most in my life. I'm going to talk about two usability, which are offer informative feedback and easy reversal of actions, and two accessibility, which are perceivable and understandable. First, the UI should offer informative feedback, which means for every user action, there should be an interface feedback. For frequent and minor actions, the response can be modest, whereas for infrequent and major actions, the response should be more substantial. This video of me demonstrates how the Maps interface responds to all my actions on clicking the location, swiping, clicking on different buttons for different functions, and pinching the screen, swiping the map. This shows that the interface always has a response to the user's action. And based on the position where you perform the action on, the feedback from the interface is also different, presenting successful informative feedback. Next usability would be the easy reversal of actions, which definition is as much as possible. Actions should be reversible. This feature relieves anxiety since users know that errors can be undone and encourages exploration of unfamiliar options. In the screenshots from the app, you can see there are always icons that provide you functionality to go back to your last step. For example, the arrow going left and the X sign in all the different spots. These are all icons that are presenting that you can going back to your last step. The map also provides function for you to see your past viewed location, providing an easy way for the user to reverse their action. For the accessibility, we are starting with perceivable, which definition is information and user interface components must be presentable to users in ways they can perceive, like smell, sight, touch, hearing, and taste. In the user interface of Google, we're going to focus on sight and maybe touch or hearing. In Google Maps interface, we can see that the non-text contents provided by other users all doesn't contain alternative text and multiple photos doesn't reach the lowest contrast, making the user who use the screen reader having trouble to access the app's functionality completely, presenting poor perceivability. Next, accessibility is understandable with definition that information and the operation of the user interface must be understandable. In the interface, we can see that there are icons and spaces that are properly labeled, letting the users understand the button's function easily. For example, for the search here, restaurants, gas, coffee, parks, and the below latest in the area, explore, view, and contribute, those icons are all properly labeled. But for example, on the bottom right, the two labeled of locating where you are right now and giving direction are all not properly labeled. And on the top right, there are also two labeled with question mark that aren't properly labeled with the icon of my account and the icon of some squares stacked together. These are causing the users to have difficulties to understand the function of the interface. In conclusion, the mobile interface have good performance on offering informative feedback and always giving users feedback on their interface with every user's action and providing easy reversal action, also letting the user to use the interface more freely and more flexibility. But it also needs improvement on both accessibility. The perceivable add-in alternative text for non-text content are needed, And following the photo contrast guideline is also should be enforced. Also, understandable should probably label all the buttons with function instead of leaving some unlabeled and leaving the users confused about the labels. Thank you for watching. I'm Alex Sean, and here are the reference and citation I use for the project.